All right, welcome. I'm Curtis Artois, and today I'll be showing you how to make a authentic dancehall beat. Not like the ones that Internet Money makes or those other guys, those mediocre beats. This is something that's not completely authentic to Jamaica, but it's something you hear on radio regularly. So you get the understanding of this and make better beats. It's close to tropical beats or hybrid or something like that. But it's dancehall in Jamaica. So let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we're in Ableton and most of you use Ableton anyways. If not Ableton, then FL. It applies to any workstation, doesn't matter. And the normal tempo we'd use in dancehall is like bass is 100 and it goes up to 108 and drops at 90. If it goes below 90, then it's reggae. So we'll go somewhere like 98. So we'll start with the chords. And I'm a musician, so normally, or let me go for something like massive. I'll pick a preset, something like a pluck. What the fuck? Um, alright, let me see now. So let me start with a normal chord progression. Uh, I use metronome. Alright, let's see. G. Then A. Oh shit. A major? A minor. So I'm gonna use A minor right here. Because we're trying to make it give it a little minor tone rather than major. A lot of people mistake dancehall and use major sounds. You need to use major chords or you need scaling major. Majority of the time dancehall they use Dorian scale. But you can use the minor scale like it's alright. I'm gonna consolidate this. I don't know why. Consolidate. We have the chord progression right now. And it's on massive. Kind of like a groove to it, not to so duplicate time. And I suggest whatever I can't do a pad. I'm gonna put a pad in right now. And yes, you guessed again, massive. Why I like massive? Like there's a truckload of sounds. Like I don't even know why. There's just a lot of fucking sounds. And the only thing about it too, um, like they never stop making. Even though Serum and the other plugins, they're more famous and everybody uses them more. But Massive still has a lot of potential. Let's pause. What the fuck? Alright, some of these sounds are too low. Like yeah, can do is just like copy that shit.
Just copy that shit. Doesn't matter. Just copy.
And just like all of these not important. What's important is just like progression. Just to go off the top in the middle of a plan on what I should have done, but now work with what me have right now. Not my style. I think that I work lazy ass fucking hard like. That kind of loud still. Very loud. I'm not impressed with it. But yeah, this now, this I forgot to deal with. Well, the fucking person just sound like. Alright, brilliant. Alright, since we've wasted enough time, and you know, might as well go for some drums. So, whoa. I use Ableton 10 by the way, so if you don't have it, then get it. Get that shit. You go get that shit. You know what I'm saying, man? You go get that shit. You go get that. Alright, so start off with a core kit. Already old school. Oregon. I think I know what I'm gonna go with. I like this type of sound. Certainly could. We normal starts up with a kick. Normally, when Jamaican is kicking in. Alright, well, let's see the hats for after. Alright, so it's probably zooming because you know dancehall has a little groove. It's not simplistic as you know your trap. Well, Yeah, the grid has to be narrow. So probably control and like drag up your mouse, zoom in, so it's before the point two, and then the kick comes in again right here after, and follow through with the melody. Alright, so you see how the beat, like the kick and the snare complement each other. They help each other in the beat. That's kind of like what dancehall is. It's not just kick, kick, and then snare. It's like kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. I remember what I said. Yeah. Uh, or maybe the kick needs to go up like. Not complement itself. I'm gonna just copy out of this. And at the end you have to add attenuation. Yeah, that sounds. Not my cup of tea. What I'm saying. Simple, and you add alright. Yeah. Alright. Nah. Fucking might just drop. Yeah, I just did that. I can't get it. Like, I'm trying. It's better work for me because I can't get a fucking job. Go get a fucking job. No, I'm not facing that in the market. I should have a job. Why won't you work? It won't work. Alright, so that works. There's an easy way to do this. I'm sure of that. Oh shit! No. Fuck. It's crazy. I knew what it felt. You know, at the trap. That's too much. Too much. Not from the fucking start. Or anything more. This complement the fucking snares. For every second beat, like no, fucking people ears. Yeah, sure, I'd like to double my kick. How much?